Homemade flour tortillas, my family's favorite. Here are the ingredients. 3 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm milk, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Mix all the dry ingredients together, and then you're going to slowly add warm milk and butter to the mixture. You want to slowly add in the milk and butter mixture. I usually let the butter melt more. This time it was pretty soft and it was pretty hot in the house, so it worked nicely. Now you just want to incorporate that until it forms a nice soft dough where it pulls away from the side. Slowly add in your liquid because sometimes you may not need it all. Want to now let it rise. Cover with a damp towel or a lid and let it rise for about 15 minutes or more if you have time. This will have a nice fluffy tortilla. Now let's get rolling. You want to lightly dust your surface and then start rolling them out to your size of preference. Continue adding flour to the bottoms and top so it does not stick. And then you will place it onto a heated medium to heat pan where it'll cook nicely. It'll start to bubble around the sides, and that's when you know it's time to turn. Depending on your stove, it could take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes on each side, but as you continue doing it, you'll notice when it's ready. Thank you for watching Nana's Kitchen. Enjoy.